Hello and welcome to new video from technery.com. Today we have an interesting news for you. Buds VS102 Pro has been launched at the price of rupees 1799. So the Indian brand has launched a new wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation in India. So let us have a look at the features of this device. These earbuds come with Bluetooth version 5.3 connectivity and has quad mic setup. It has ANC, which stands for Active Noise Cancellation. These earbuds come with an amazing battery life of up to 40 hours. User can enjoy 40 hours of playtime. Weight of the earbuds is just 4 grams each and 34 grams is the weight of the charging case. It is available in 4 color variants which include Glacier Blue, Aurora Green, Jet Black and Calm Beige. There's also ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation. User can easily enable the ANC, gaming mode, transparency, control music, and also can access the Google Assistant or Siri as per the need. These earbuds are compatible with both iOS and Android devices. So you can connect with your smartphone, laptop, tablet as well with both Android and Apple devices. These earbuds are having IPX5 rating and are water and sweat resistant. It comes with 11 mm speaker drivers. The earbuds can provide playtime of up to 6 hours in single charge and with the charging case total 40 hours. There's also an Insta Charge feature which helps the user to charge the earbuds quickly. So in just 10 minutes of charge, the user can enjoy 150 minutes of playtime. So this was all about the Noisebuds VS102 Pro earbuds which got recently launched. So if you want to purchase them at a discounted rate of just rupees 1799, you can find the link in the description below. Kindly like the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.